What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to unbox the Canon SX620 point and shoot camera. Let's get started. Alright, so to get this one you can go to amazon.ca. I'll have the link in the description down below, along with all the links to my social media. So here it is. Got this today from Amazon. Unboxing knife here. Open. There we go. Nice and easy. This open inside. See what I ordered. Shout out to my radio. Interrupting me in the background. It's all good though. So in here we've got SX620 HS itself, and got a little hard shell case for it that I ordered with it. This one is the recommended one for this camera. So let's talk about this case first. Slide it open. Bada boom, just like that. Zipper, little clip for attaching it to your belt or backpack. Hard shell with a pretty sweet pattern. Looks pretty good. So, 2 zippers, and then you can see inside a mesh pocket for batteries and cables and stuff like that, and then space for the camera. That's pretty dope. Alright, so next we're gonna talk about the camera itself. So here it is. So this one is a 20.2 megapixel camera with a 20x zoom, which is pretty dope. And then, so I got this in black. Yeah, and then I'll have this link down below if you want to check it out or see more information. So pop it open. In the box you get some instructions. Limited warranty right there. That's always cool. And Canon image gateway, register now. So you can upload images and stuff directly to Facebook, Twitter, your Google Drive, YouTube, stuff like that, directly with Canon image gateway, which is pretty cool. So definitely gonna try that out. That's neat. Here's the getting started guide, which is pretty thick for a little point and shoot camera. So that'll be interesting. I'll probably read that because I've never used this camera before. So there's something to learn. And then in here you also get the camera itself, which is wrapped up. Put that to the side for now. And then little camera strap right there, and your battery, the 1250 milliamp hour battery. And you can get more of these on Amazon, which I'm going to be doing in the near future, because I'm going to CES in January probably, so I'm going to be bringing this with me, and also using it in future videos for B-roll, and then videos when I need to have my phone in the video, which is what I'm using right now. And then here's the battery charger itself. Slide that out, pop the prongs out, plug it in the wall, stick the battery in right there. So that's pretty sweet. And then here's the camera itself, also in plastic. Keep it nice and protected. Wow, I like this. This is a pretty sweet looking camera. Looks nice and sleek. Big ol' 20x zoom lens on the front there, which is non-removable unfortunately, but for 280 bucks, that's a price I'm willing to pay. We've got micro USB and micro HDMI, it looks like, on the side there. Put that in focus. Shout out to Samsung autofocus on the S8, it's pretty darn good. And then you've got your 3-inch LCD screen, so you can see you guys in the reflection. And some buttons, record, checking images, stuff like that. Shutter button on top. Flip this open, put your SD card in, bada boom, and your battery. Pretty cool. Close that up. And you've got your standard mount for a tripod, which is always a good look. And you can use all your tripods and accessories that use that. Oh, that's really cool. So there's a switch right there on the side. Pops up the flash in case you need the flash in lower light scenarios. Yeah, I really like this camera so far. It's nice and light. I'm going to be testing this out in the next few days, so stay tuned for a little camera test video, and I'll also be using it for these videos coming up soon. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back with more soon. Peace.